Hi everyone, today I wanted to go over with you how to replace the side mirror. So all the tools you will need are a skinny flathead and your replacement mirror. But before you buy your replacement mirror, take yours off first to verify which one you will need. As you can see, mine has one pair of connections for heating, and there's another version with two pairs for heating and auto dip. I will leave the parts in the description below. So let's go ahead and examine the parts. Why you need the skinny flathead is to turn the back mechanism to the left from the front. And here is a demonstration of how the mechanism turns. Now looking at the mechanism, these circular indents at each corner house these circular protrusions at each corner. So when the mechanism is locked, the circles are stuck underneath until you turn it so it can slide out. And here are just a couple of techniques you may need to turn the back part of the mirror. You can either go through the center or push along its side. Now having this knowledge, let's get started. Turn your key to position 2 and adjust your mirror so that you can see the top piece that was shown earlier, and the gap is big enough to get your flathead in there. Like I've shown earlier, get your flathead in there and turn that protruding piece to the left. Once you unlock it, it should easily fall out. But don't worry if it doesn't look as easy as this. You may need to move the mirror around so that it suits you best. Once you got that, just simply disconnect these wires and grab your new mirror. Don't forget to unlock your new mirror before you try to put it back in. Now do the reverse, connect your wires, put the mirror back in, and rotate that mechanism to the right. I actually struggled a bit in putting the new mirror back in, so what I found that helped me the most was to have the mirror motor as vertical as you can, but of course with that small gap on top to reach the mechanism. I think this would help have your force go directly right instead of right and another weird angle. I hope that this helped you, and thanks for watching.